Alright people, there's my Xbox 3 rings. It is time for surgery. Got the top off. As you can see, my inside is dusty. Piece over there. That's over there. Got the music on. Back to work. Alright, the journey was tough. See, the Xbox is almost completed and it's going back stages. Got that in, got that in. There's my tools. If you look over here, there's the top and the screws. There's the people in amazement. Alright, so now, dun dun dun.
Woo! Wow.
Yay!
So basically, you start from the beginning, like when you don't have no friends or nothing on there, like you just got a brand new one.
Oh no, that's in there. I just gotta I don't got the